Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rainisha, and we're gonna do my very first cash envelope stuffing. Now, I am not new to the cash envelope stuffing method. I've actually used to do this method when I was a server just to keep track of my money since it was going by cash. But yeah, I decided to start over since I plan on moving out after I graduate next year. So today we're going to be stuffing $175, which isn't a lot, but you know, every little bit helps. And I have my little chart over here that I made in Google Sheets. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. All right, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the setup's kind of weird because I'm doing this on my bed. I didn't really think about how I was going to do this filming wise. So the next video will definitely be way better. But I just got off of work, kind of tired. So yeah, we'll do this for now. Alright, so first we're going to stuff my variable expenses, and I made these cash envelopes myself. It was very easy, nothing too hard, and they're so cute and they fit perfectly in my Steve Madden wallet that I got from TJ Maxx. I had it for a while now, but yeah, so we're gonna do these first. And groceries is going to get 15, so a 10 and a 5. Hold on. Y'all, I'm so tired from work. Oh my god. It's about to be prime time at Amazon, so definitely getting a lot more packages. And then gas is getting 20. What else? Fun is going to get 5. And fun, I say, is just like if I wanted to go to Michael's or something and pick up something, just a little fun money to if I wanted to get something, which honestly, I work so much, I hardly ever buy anything throughout the week. So the days that I do have off is usually when I spend money. I've seen videos of people who do like what I spend in a day video, so if you would like to see that, just go ahead and let me know. Eating out is going to get 10. So 10. And then oh shit, is basically if I don't have anything, like say I don't have any more fun money, or say I forget that envelope, so to say, this is what this is for, and it's just gonna get $5. So 5 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is all for my cash envelopes. So all these are stuff, and I'm just gonna put them, oops, hit the tripod, back into my wallet, and I just put them in here, in this back part right here, and they fit perfect. Okay, so now we're going to go to bills, and bills binder is this black binder right here. Okay, so now we're going to be stuffing bills. Now I have rent here. I am not paying rent at my mom's house, lucky, so thankful for that. But I will be saving up as if I'm paying rent, because I want to have that money already saved up for when I do move out. So rent isn't going to get anything today. Let's see. I thought these were in order. Phone is going to get $11. Oh, dang. I'm going to have to change that out. Hold on. All right, so I had to swap out the ones from my oh shit fund because I forgot that it was going to be singles. So I'm going to take this cash slip out of here and I'll just add it back later because I didn't update them. But yeah, so phone is going to get $11. So 10, 11. So now it has 10, 20, 21, 22. $22 is now in phone. Let's see. So the internet, which I don't pay for Wi-Fi yet, but I definitely want to save up for that for when I move out, and it's just gonna get $5. I just want to have like a decent amount of money for when I move out because I definitely don't want to be like struggling. And then the only other thing that's going to get stuffed in my bills is Planet Fitness, which just came out, and it's going to get $5. And that is it for bills. So that's done, and I will update these trackers after the video is over. I usually do it before, but I don't know why I did it this time. I just didn't do it this time. I just spaced, I guess. So the next thing that we are going to stuff is my sinking funds, and I got these letters from Dollar Tree. I tried to do them on all of them, but this was the only one that took, so I guess I'll just have to get some better letters, probably from Michael's or something. So yeah, and the moving out fund is going to get $25, and my moving out fund basically is like the first month's rent and the last month's rent and like the fees and admin fees and all of that. So I'm definitely saving up for that now. And now moving out has $20, $40, $50, and I'm super excited about moving out after graduation. I can't wait to have my own space, you know, it's my own space, but definitely wanting to plan ahead, that way I'm not struggling. So the next category, which happens to be in this binder, this is just like for my challenges and stuff, is miscellaneous. And miscellaneous is going to get $5. Hold on, we'll come back to miscellaneous because I feel like I'm missing some money. Okay, so challenge, which is the $10 challenge that I came up with. I don't know what I'm gonna put this towards, but at the end of this challenge, which you can do it for a year or however long, you will have saved $1,120. So it's just gonna get a 10, that way I can start it off. And I laminated it so I could just, you know, scratch it and call it a day. So that's done. And then what's next? Yeah, she definitely gave me the wrong change. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I got this. So we'll go back to miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is supposed to get 5, 3, 4, 5. And I'm thinking I got that extra money out to do the second challenge. I'm not sure. I can't really think right now because I did this like a couple of days ago. So I'm not exactly sure what I got the extra money out for. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2. Okay, yeah, this isn't gonna work how I thought it was. Great, first video and problems. So car maintenance was supposed to get 7, and Christmas gifts was supposed to get 7, and medical was supposed to get 5. So what we're gonna do is we're going to put 7 in Christmas and 10 in car maintenance, and I'll just put the 5 later in medical, I guess, because I tried to get change from my mom. That's how I got this, and it didn't really work out how I thought it was gonna work out. So car maintenance will get 10, so now it has 30. And then Christmas gifts will get 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that is the start. I don't really have anybody truly to buy for Christmas yet besides my parents. But we'll see what I buy for Christmas. Let me take this out. Okay, so I need to get the money for medical. And now I'll just put this to the side. Or wait, actually, let me see. No, I can't split it like that because that won't be right. I'm trying to see how I can split this so it'll work out right, but I don't think I can split it with anything else because I don't really have like extra cash. So yeah, kind of sucks to be me. Actually, I have a random $3 laying around in my room. So we'll put this in medical and make it 5. And medical is going to be like for co-pays, contacts, glasses, stuff like that. So definitely trying to stack this up because I don't need glasses right now, but I will need glasses next year, and glasses kind of expensive. So that's it for sinking funds. And then I was just going to do the challenge, and I got this challenge from, I'm not exactly sure who, but I'm mixing up the cards, not really looking at them, and we're just gonna pick a random one, and that's going to be what we put in our thing. So it says take $5 and put it to someone in need or gifts. So we can't do that right now. Let's see. We gonna pick one that we can do. Let's see. Put $20 or your highest bill in your least favorite envelope. And my least favorite envelope right now would have to be debt. So we're gonna put the $20 in debt. Oh, wrong. So we're gonna put the $20 into debt because I don't really have like too substantial amount of debt. I have about 17K in debt, but I definitely want to start saving up to pay that off. It's all student loans, so now debt has some money in it. And if I can think of the lady whose challenge this is, I will definitely tag your challenge down below so you can get it. But I don't think I can remember, which sucks because this is actually a good challenge. But yeah, so I will see if I can remember her name. I found her randomly on YouTube. But yeah, so now we're just going to put my change in the change jars that I have. I plan on getting some better jars, like some bigger ones, but yeah. Okay, so these are my 2 change jars. I have pennies in one and then all silvers in the other. And this is the coins I spent from last week. We have a little bit. I just got this from Dollar Tree, and I just keep it in my wallet. So quite a few silvers and some pennies too. So I'm just gonna put it in there. At first I had them mixed up, but then I was like, no, I want to really challenge myself to fill it up actually. And when I get jars, they're gonna be bigger, so when I start making more money, I can just fill them up, and I can't wait to see what I end up with. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my video. It was a little bit mixed up, but again, this is my first video on this channel, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I didn't confuse you too much, because I know it was confusing me. Again, I just got off of work, so brain kind of a little mixed up, but yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.